So we just had a fascinating discussion on ocean health with representatives from industry, from Chevron, from the research community here at Stanford, from folks who are representing the recreational fishermen, and also a former mayor from Alaska. And what was really interesting is that they all spoke about three key points. The first is that ocean health ultimately is important for community well-being and for coastal resilience. We need to track what's happening in terms of trends in the ocean and what it means for us ultimately. So that was quite clear. The second key point is because oceans can be a contested space. So we must think about how we engage various stakeholders, not just from these communities, but folks who are on the ground who may collect data and information and think about how that information can be used. So engaging various stakeholders is very important. And finally, we can do all the science that we want, we can do all of the research. Politics are important. We need to think about how we put in place policies and programs and think about how we move people to action by telling compelling stories that will be informed by science and data if we really want to make a difference. I think what is happening to already improve the situation came out quite clearly. There were a number of positive stories about collaboration in the area, Washington, California, Oregon. There's a cooperative agreement. There are marine protected areas that have been established. They're having an impact. The representative from the Recreational Fishermen's Association mentioned that bycatch is no longer a problem. The species have come back. That is huge progress, and indeed it means that the region can serve as an example to other regions. At the same time, there is a recognition that we need to do more. There's more need for data, additional data that should be collected at the community level. There's a need to take that data to key decision makers so that policies continue to be implemented that rely on that data. And there's a need to continue to monitor different perspectives from other communities so that there is continued engagement to continue to support these processes.